Introducing the PandaEar 3-pack baby bowls with suction. These innovative bowls are designed specifically for babies, kids, and toddlers, ensuring a safe and enjoyable eating experience. Featuring premium silicone, our bowls are BPA-free and lead-free, making them a safe choice for your child's meals. You can enjoy peace of mind while your little one eats. No mess, no stress. Each bowl features a unique suction base that holds it firmly in place on flat surfaces, offering you a completely spill-proof experience. And the cleanup? It's a breeze. These bowls are dishwasher-safe and stain-resistant, making them easy to maintain for everyday use. Join over 2,900 satisfied customers who rated these bowls 4.3 stars. Parents love the design and functionality, making meals fun and easy. So, if you're ready to enhance your child's eating experience, check the link in the description below and grab your PandaEar bowls today. Like this video? Don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and helpful tips for your family.